Are you looking for the best spark plug sockets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best spark plug sockets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the CASOMAN Spark Plug Socket Set. The CASOMAN Spark Plug Socket Set includes 5 pieces of 3/8-inch drive spark plug socket with 6-point, which are made of heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel alloy with corrosion-resistant mirror chrome finish. A rubber retaining ring holds plug securely. It comes with a durable blow-molded carrying case for easy storage and transportation. The set meets or exceeds ANSI performance standards and comes with a 1-year quality warranty. Up next in the 4th place is the MIXPOWER 5-piece spark plug socket set. The MIXPOWER 3/8-inch drive spark plug socket set includes 5 pieces of premium CRV steel sockets with a mirror chrome finish. The set contains 5/8-inch, 3/4-inch, 13/16-inch, 14 and 18 sockets. The tapered 6-point opening socket grips the flat sides of fastener head, not corners, to prevent round off. The rubber retaining ring holds the plug securely, and the high visibility markings ensure you can find them easily. All MIXPOWER tools meet or exceed ANSI performance standards, and it comes with a 1-year quality guarantee. The 3rd product on our list is the MIXPOWER Swivel Spark Plug Socket Set. MIXPOWER Socket Set is a versatile tool set made from premium CRV steel, offering high torque performance with its 12-point design. The set includes 6 magnetic spark plug sockets in various sizes, all housed in a durable storage case. The 360-degree swivel feature allows easy access to tight areas, while the magnetic core ensures spark plug retention and protection. This socket set is ideal for maximizing torque, providing access in hard-to-reach spots, and safeguarding spark plugs effectively. Second on our list is the DURATECH 3/8-inch drive spark plug socket set. The DURATECH 3/8-inch drive spark plug socket set includes 5 pieces of sockets that are made of durable heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant mirror chrome finish. The 6-point socket design prevents round-off, while the 12-point design of the 14 socket enhances gripping power and fit. The precision rubber retaining ring ensures easy installation and removal. The set comes in a durable blow-molded carrying case for easy transportation and storage. This socket set is perfect for most applications and offers reliable durability and precision. Finally, the top product on our list is the Sunex 8844 Universal Spark Plug Socket Set. The Sunex 8844 Universal Spark Plug Socket Set includes all 4 sizes of spark plug sockets in one convenient set. Made of fully polished chrome vanadium alloy steel, these sockets are durable and have a universal joint design that allows for easy access in confined areas. Rubber inserts hold the spark plug securely during installation and removal. The set includes SAE inches 9/16-inch, 5/8-inch, 3/4-inch, 30/16-inch, ideal for professional mechanics and DIYers alike. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time,